Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an acrylic painting of a tree like we are looking up standing at the bottom of the tree. So I'm going to paint a maple tree. For that I have taken a canvas. Now I'm going to paint the sky. The sky will appear evenly blue when we look up. So for that I'm using ultramarine blue mixed with white. I'm going to paint this color entirely on the canvas. Let's allow it to dry and then start painting the tree. For the base color of the tree, I am mixing burnt sienna and black. Let us add some branches. As I told you, I am going to paint a maple tree. So I am going to use different shades of yellow for the leaves. First I am using chrome yellow. For certain areas where the sunlight hits, it looks very bright. For that I'm using lemon yellow. And then for the darker areas, I'm going to use yellow ochre. Let us add some details to the trunk and the branches. I'm using burnt sienna mixed with yellow ochre for some darker areas. I think we can call it done. Do you like this painting? Let me know in the comments below. Do hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for the BooBooPaintz channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.